Guys, it's a Tone Master Tuesday on a Wednesday. I'm Nathan from the Worship Journal Guitarist Edition and Worship Calling. Going to take a little break. Going to step away from the drive stacks. Still got more of those that I want to share, so be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any of those. We're going through all the big popular drive stacks that everyone loves, and we're doing them in the Tone Master Pro and having a blast doing that. But I've been having fun with something, and so I wanted to step away from that and talk about fuzz. Fuzz pedals, fuzz in general, in the context of that classic edge of breakup guitar, and especially in the context of worship guitar. So let's jump over to Pro Control. So fuzz is completely different from any kind of distortion or overdrive pedal or any of that stuff. It's completely different. It's almost like a distortion generator. So it's just generating distortion in the pedal that creates this fuzz. And so it has this just huge, heavy sound. I know you guys have been playing with them. I know some of you guys use them. It just has this really unique, distinct sound, okay? So the fuzz that I have been using, that I'm gravitating towards, is the Red Round Fuzz Germanium pedal. That's the one I'm gravitating towards. The others, not that I didn't like any of them at all, but this one just, I feel like it has a little less muddiness in the kind of that low end, low mid area. It doesn't boost those quite as much. It still has a lot. I'm playing on my bridge pickup. There's my neck. It's got that fuzz sound. I love it. But anyway, I'm liking it on my bridge. So what I've done with this preset is this is how I'm using it. Okay. I have on my foot switch. This is based off of my Blonde 65 Deluxe. So it's got kind of all the things everybody's seen before. But what I'm assigning to the fuzz is I'm actually turning off my compressor, and I'm turning off the spring reverb. I feel like the fuzz in and of itself has enough compression, has enough sustain, that I don't really like it going into that compressor pedal. So I'm actually turning it off when I engage the fuzz, and I'm turning off that spring reverb. For some reason, I'm going to turn it on just so you can hear it. It just, I don't like the way that fuzz hits that 65 spring reverb. So I'm disengaging it as well, because what I'm using this mostly for is my ambient tones. It's those single note runs, think swells. I'm going to kick on some ambient. Oh, by the way, somebody was commenting and asking what mix level I'm running on these pedals. I'm running 50% on the ethereal convolution hall and 40% on the large hall reverb. But I say that, keep in mind, this splitter, I'm using my expression pedal to blend that in, so it's not like they're sitting there wide open. So anyway, side note. So I'm using this kind of in that, triad, single note run stuff. And I don't have my other expression pedal here, so I can't really do swells with my foot, but I'll do it with my volume knob just to at least give you an idea. think it works really well in, you know, swells, like I said, those single note run type things, just that ambient. It actually sounds kind of cool going into the enchanter. I kept the enchanter in because it actually sounds really cool going into it. And you know, if you run that fuzz at a low level, I'm 9% fuzz here. You've got control with your attack to clean things up. You've got your volume knob on your guitar. I mean, it cleans up. And then you can just kick it in and dig in. You just have to be a little bit careful that you don't go too crazy, strumming too hard, and get too much fuzz, because it is easy for that fuzz to get out of control and you have just this wall of sound. So you kind of have to adapt your playing a little bit. You know, like I said, pull that fuzz down. It's like a seasoning. You can't add too much, or it just destroys the tone, in my opinion. So anyway, I think there's a time and a place to use fuzz. I like it a lot. I really like this Red Round Fuzz pedal. I don't remember which one it's modeled after, but I love it in this context. It seems to be working really well. I'm having fun with it, and I'm enjoying it. So give it a spin, see what you think. I'll have the preset in the cloud. Please, please, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Trying to grow the channel. And as always, make every strum count, and I'll see you guys next time.